Hi there! If you're looking to start an online business from scratch, I can help you out. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. 1. Identify your niche. Start by finding a specific market segment or problem that you can solve. Focus on a niche that you're passionate about and have knowledge in. 2. Conduct market research to better understand your target audience and market potential. Conduct thorough and accurate research. This includes identifying your competitors, market trends, and potential risks. 3. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals. Target audience, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. Make sure to include your unique selling proposition (USP), value proposition, and competitive advantage. 4. Choose a business structure. Select a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company (LLC), or corporation. This will depend on the nature of your business, your location, and tax considerations. 5. Register your business. Register your business name, domain for a website, and obtain an employer identification number (EIN) from the IRS for tax purposes. 6. Set up your website. Design a visually appealing, user-friendly website that showcases your products or services and has all the necessary information to educate and engage your target audience. 7. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes online and offline channels. This may include content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, search engine optimization (SEO), pay-per-click advertising (PPC), and other forms of advertising. 8. Build a strong network. Connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. Join online communities. Attend workshops and participate in local business events. Networking can help you learn about new opportunities, gain industry insights, and build credibility. 9. Launch your business. Once you have completed all the necessary preparation work, it's time to launch your online business. This is the most exciting part, so be sure to handle any last-minute details and setbacks with a positive attitude. 10. Monitor and adapt. Regularly review your business performance and make necessary adjustments to improve your strategy. Stay informed about industry trends, customer feedback, and technological advancements to stay ahead of the curve. By following these steps, you can successfully start and grow an online business from scratch. Good luck!